welcome back to another edition of Inglewood Stadium Updates. Today I'm back over on the Pincay Drive side. Pincay Drive and Kareem Court to be exact. This area here is pretty close proximity to the actual stadium will physically lie. Without any further ado, let's go check out some of the action. Lastly, I have some LA Rams free agency news. They did lose Kenny Britt, wide receiver. He went to the Cleveland Browns, but they did replace him with another wide receiver, Robert Woods, from the Buffalo Bills, and also played at USC. So he's familiar with the Coliseum, and I believe he has the most receptions in school history. They also picked up left tackle, offensive tackle, Andrew Whitworth. He's a veteran, but I think he's going to help shore up the offensive line and protect Goff a little bit better this coming season. And they also picked up a backup quarterback who is the brother of Josh Murray, Bachelor in Paradise fame. Don't know if he'll make the team or not, but just have to wait and see. That's going to about wrap it up for this edition. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.